Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about linear regression. If you are just starting your journey into machine learning, linear regression is the perfect place to begin. It's simple, intuitive, and forms the foundation for understanding more complex algorithms. Let me walk you through it in a way that actually makes sense. What exactly is linear regression? It is one of the simplest yet most important algorithms in machine learning. It belongs to the category of supervised learning, where the model learns from labeled data and tries to establish a relationship between input variable and an output variable using a straight line. The core idea behind linear regression is very intuitive. It assumes that the output changes at a constant rate with respect to the input. This relationship is mathematically represented using a straight line commonly called the best fit line. As you can see in this diagram, we take independent variable in the x-axis and dependent variables in y-axis. The straight line represents the best fit line. What is best fit line? The best fit line is the straight line that best represents the overall trend in the data. It is drawn in such a way that the distance between the actual data points and the predicted value is minimized. Goal of the best fit line: the main goal is to reduce prediction errors so the model can make accurate prediction on unseen data. Let's understand linear regression by an example. Let's use a relatable example. Suppose you want to predict house prices based on their size. You collect data on several houses. First, a 1000 square feet house sold for 2 lakh dollars. Next, a 1500 square feet house sold for 2 lakh $80,000. Uh, a 2000 square feet house sold for 3 lakh $60,000. You notice a pattern, right? As the size increases, so does the price. Linear regression help us to us quantify the relationship and predict price for the houses we haven't seen yet. Let's see the mathematical representation. Linear regression uses a simple question you probably learned in high school. That is y equals to mx plus b. Or in machine learning in terms y equals to b naught plus b1x. Let me break this down. Y is what we are trying to predict house price. X is what we know house size. Beta 1 is the slope and beta non is the intercept. This what Let's see what is error minimization using a list. Let's see how does it actually work. The algorithm tries different lines until it finds the one that best fits your data. But how does it know which line is best? It uses something called the least square method. Here is the idea. Draw a line through your data points. Measure how far each actual data point is from the line. Square this distance, add them all up. Try to find the line that makes this total as small as possible. The line with the smallest total error wins. That's your best fit line. So that's it all for linear. That's it all for linear regression.